Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact Windows 10 edition and edition key requirements. This matters because keys are edition-specific. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account and ensure you have administrator rights so activation can complete. Make a quick backup of your registry and a system image in case you need to revert. Don't waste time with unrelated setup. Get these essentials done first so the next steps will apply cleanly to your installed edition. Next, determine whether your device already has a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. This avoids needing a new key. If not, use command prompt commands like slmgr/dli or safe PowerShell scripts to reveal partial key or activation status, which helps decide the next move. If no valid license exists, choose retail for transferability, OEM for bundled hardware, or volume licensing for businesses, and complete purchase through a reputable vendor so your key matches your edition and activation method. Finally, enter the 25-character product key in Settings Update and Security Activation and click Activate. You'll see success or an error code. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter and sign into the linked Microsoft account to retrieve a digital license. If transferring a retail key after major hardware changes, choose troubleshooting options that mention hardware transfer. If problems persist, document error codes and retain proof of purchase, so support can resolve mismatched keys or blocked activations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.